I'm Dr. Vidya Bhatt, Director, Radhakrishna Multi-Speciality Hospital and IVF Center. We are in this profession for the past 25 years, and 15 years back we thought we'll give back to the society. When you get something from the society, you should give back. So we thought we'll give back something to the society, and we started this Radhakrishna Foundation. After starting Radhakrishna Foundation, there was not much of awareness, in the sense people didn't know. But we do a lot of free surgeries for patients who are not affordable, and we do keyhole surgeries for them. Especially when they come to us and say we can't afford the surgery, we are always empathetic towards them, and we do free surgeries. Sometimes we conduct camps, in the sense every 5 months, 6 months we conduct camps wherein only the medicine cost is borne by the patient. That is hardly anything, 5 to 6,000. Rest everything is free: anesthesia, ward charges, surgical charges. Same way we thought we'll extend. After doing that, we realized that it is not just to the hospital, we should extend it to the society at a higher level. So that's when we took up this NR Colony BBMP hospital. We adopted that, and we started giving maternity services and IVF, infertility treatment. We do a lot of infertility workup, in the sense when they can't afford to go through laparoscopic surgeries, we get our own instruments from our hospital, and then we do it free of cost here. Then there is the new trend now, cesarean sections. Patients have undergone cesarean section. Doing a tubectomy is difficult, basically because there is a lot of adhesion because of the previous surgery. So for those patients, we pull them up in NR Colony BBMP hospital, and we do laparoscopic surgeries for them. Last month we have done 51 lap surgeries for them, these are all underprivileged women. And this thought of doing baby shower came to me when we heard that corporate hospitals do baby shower for all the mothers. So I thought, why only corporate hospital privileged women should have this? Why not our underprivileged women should also get this benefit? So that's when this Samuhika Simanta, what we planned, and we are doing this for the past 8 years. Basically every 3 months we call them the term patients, in the sense after 6 months to 9 months we call them, and we give them goodies, that is nutritious antunde, what is called, and then we give them protein powder, a sari, then bangles, and arshana kunkuma, in the sense sindoor is given to them, and flowers, so that they feel that comfort of mother. You need to have some comfort during pregnancy. Somebody should talk to you nicely, somebody should give you gift to the mother. So that's when we started this project, and we are doing it regularly. Probably by doing this, those mothers will be happy. We also encourage hospital deliveries by this, so that since these are done in this BBMP hospital, many would want to come and deliver here, because it's an incentive to them. It may not be much, but it's an incentive. It's a feel-good factor. So with all this, we want to increase hospital deliveries, decrease maternal morbidity because of complications, and prevent maternal deaths, and prevent complications to the mother and the baby.
Good afternoon. Today I have attended here an amazing event that is organized by Vidya Bhatt, Dr. Vidya Bhatt, and as well as Katte Satyanarayana sir. And it is NR Colony, that is government hospital, and they were honored lots of pregnant women, and they have gifted so many things for them. It is like a Srimanta, and it is a very good gesture, and it's an amazing event, and I didn't expect it. The government hospital patients are going to get this type of honoring and all like that. Everyone went back with smile and all. It is a very positive gesture, and congratulations to my friend Dr. Vidya from Radhakrishna Speciality Hospital, and our politician Mr. Katte Satyanarayana sir, and his son Sujay. They are he's a future politician, and it's a very good gesture, and these positive things should happen very often, and then we will create positive atmosphere in the surrounding.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ NR ಕಾಲೋನಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನು, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಭಟ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಬೇಕು, ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು, ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಿರಿನಗರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಅವರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೂ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀ ಹಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಸಮಾಜದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಳಕಳಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮದಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಟಿಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಹಣ ತೊಟ್ಟು ಅನೇಕ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅನೇಕ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸತ್ಯ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸೀಮಂತ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅನೇಕ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನವರು ಬಹಳ ಅರ್ಥಗರ್ಭಿತವಾಗಿ, ಗೌರವಯುತವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜನನದಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಅವರ ಅಂತ್ಯಷ್ಟಿಯ ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಷೋಡಶ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂತಹ ಕರ್ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೀಮಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳು ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿಯಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂತಾನವನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮ ವಂಶದ ಕುಡಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಒಬ್ಬ ವಂಶೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ಅಥವಾ ವಂಶೋದ್ಧಾರಕಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ವಂಶೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಗೌರವ ಸ್ಥಾನಮಾನವನ್ನು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.